Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. Hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. All these things I appreciate. Check out all the different media channels and all that good stuff. Today I want to talk about a new project, Smart Places. Now, this is a social media site that's going to be affiliated with, they have a new partnership with IMX. IMX, as you know, that they're the secure your own identity folks that I had interviewed with a while ago. Some of the founders are going to sit on the board, and there's a partnership with the Smart Places project between IMX and Smart Places project. So it's all coming together, right? It's all coming together. This is the IMX's Discord channel that I'm in right now, and just the announcement I'm talking about. It's the website is smartplacesprotocol.io. Now, don't forget that the IMX people they're doing they're having their initial coin offering right now. So if you want to stake with them, then make sure that you're staking. If you stake with them, then you'll get some of their coin, some of their initial coin. So they're rolling their project out right now. This Smart Place project. This Smart Places protocol is a brand new project as well. And in fact, they're having their initial coin offering. Now, their initial coin offering is going to be through. Um, let's see where the token sale stuff is here. Let's go over here and look. So they're on ADAX. Now you have to KYC for ADAX, and I think you have to actually be staked for this specific project. So you would need to have that lined up and all that kind of stuff. I did not get in on this project. I've been busy, and I just kind of slipped through the cracks. But they're still their project still they're I think you can still, let's see, I think you can still get in on it, on part of it, but token's pretty cheap right now. You're also going to be able to earn token through um, actually just using the project. Like again, like I said, it's going to be like a social media slash metaverse, which is where everything's going, right? So, um, this project is something I'm gonna keep an eye on. I'm probably definitely going to pick up some token as soon as I get a chance. Unfortunately, I'm just not on ADAX, so hopefully they'll make some available in drip drops or something like something along that lines, right? That would be cool. So, there's a that you can I most of the information I could find, you can join their Twitter channel, and I was on their YouTube channel, which is not listed here. They have a Telegram and everything, but um, their YouTube channel, they talk about the project. It sounds like to me that it's a social media site, right? One of the ways that you're going to be able to make currency off of it, you're going to be able to make an income off of it, is kind of along the lines of Brave. You're going to be able to sell your uh, your information, right? You're going to be able to watch ads and different things like that. Give your information out. Now, the good thing about the IMX is that their project is your identity, and your identity is going to be locked. In that, eventually where this is going is, we're not going to get around it. Is we're all going to be tokenized, right? Now, the only question left to be decided is whether we're going to own our own identity or somebody else is going to own it. And that's the way it is. All of our information is already being recorded and stored somewhere, so it's almost, it's not going to be too much different than it is now. Um, we have a chance right now to vote on what the future is going to be. Like, is everything going to be Amazon, right? Is everybody going to buy all their food and all their products from Amazon? Well, um, we don't need to go into this thing blinded. We need to make sure that we're making good choices, keeping it decentralized, and um, owning our own identity. Okay, so um, that's why we need to be involved, and I encourage you to be involved with um, with Own Your Own Identity IMX project. It's an identity project, and then in things like these social media sites. So you're going to be able to basically watch ads or sell your information for a token. There's also different projects. There's also different things where, like, if you're you can allow yourself to be seen on, they're going to have like a global map, I suppose, or something like that, right? And you can allow yourself to be seen. And if you meet up with other people that are on the project, like say so the smart place project, right? If you meet up with other people that are using smart places, then what it does is it creates like a confirmation that you both are human. It identifies you as being human, and you actually get a little bit of coin for that. It sounds like you're going to be able to receive rewards by engaging in different kinds of activities, right? Like real life, as it actually says right here. Um, but liking and posting and clicking on different materials and stuff like that. There's going to have meeting places where it's actually going to be, they're going to have a metaverse, and you can it's going to be a real world metaverse, like of our natural world, right? And maybe you'll be able to buy a piece of land in the Grand Canyon or something like that, and have a little plat there. You might be able to rent it out. Times Square, right? The Eiffel Tower. If you watch our videos, they talk about this, and there's going to be some hot places, and you can actually own a piece of that. And you could rent it out to people that want to have, maybe they want to have a virtual meeting at the Eiffel Tower, or at the Times Square or something like that. So anyway, uh, so that's going to be part of it. Um, and then just different you're going to basically receive rewards. It's like a gamified system. I encourage you to come on their website though and check some of this information out. um, all this stuff is real early. um, who's going to, is it going to be a little bit of everybody, or is it something like that, or is there going to be one winner out of it? I just encourage to get on here and take a look though. I think this is a good project. It's something that I'm going to be involved with, and I like the idea, I like the concept, and I like when people are involved, right? So, um, because that's how we're going to not be locked in. They're also doing NFTs and all that kind of stuff. You're going to be able to create your own NFTs and trade them and things of that nature. You can use them as emojis and things, everything. Here's the tokenomics, right? So tokenomics look pretty straightforward. You have token sale 25%, development 15%. They're going to, off of there's going to be different services that you can pay for, like premium products, and then when those products, when you pay for them with the token, then they're going to, that plus any kind of revenue they have is going to go back into the reserves. Not 100%, I'm sure, but a portion of it, and then that will be there ready in their coffers for to issue as more rewards, right? So then that'll go back into the reserves and keep the system going, so that people can keep earning tokens, um, and also drive the price up depending on the demand, right? So anyway, here's their roadmap, and they're doing their IDO right now. Their app beta launch is coming. NFT land sale is coming up, so everybody might want to take and check at that. I've been buying some pieces of projects of the metaverses just to have their, series one. A lot of time you look at them and they're like series one on this metaverse and that. In fact, if you had been in our Discord, you would have known that um, Cardano, it just had their last founder card sale. So I'm sure everybody's familiar with their Cardano project. That's a very popular project. I think it's going to be a great project. But they just had like a founder card sale yesterday, right? So last night at 10 o'clock, and I was able to get in on that. Some of the people in my Discord was able to get in on that. We've been discussing different projects in there. So if you're not part of the Discord, make sure you become part of the Discord. Also, the stake pool. I've got the stake pool up, and if you want some information on that, watch the intro video. I made a new intro video to my YouTube channel. Watch that welcome video on my home main page. It'll tell you about it. My vision is basically to help other people start stake pools. So we're going to build a community, and then we're going to start splitting off into other stake pools. So make sure you check that out. But so join the people that are going to be part of the community are going to be in the running up to for us to help them start stake pools. So that's basically the vision. Make sure things are decentralized. So then you're having partner stores and all that kind of stuff. Here's the team. Here's Tim from the IMX group, and real good guy. Make sure you go check that video I did on them, the interview with him. It's long, a lot of good information though. Make sure you're taking part of their initial coin offering as well. But we have a good team here. So it looks like it's going to be a upstanding project, legit project. Here's some of their other partners too you can check out. So okay. Well, anyway, I hope your trading's been going well. Man, the market's been tanking, right? So we broke through on that bottom resistant line on that relative strength, and we've just been going down. The stock market, man, stock market's been getting hit, but I mean, kind of everybody knew that was coming, right? So anyway, but so I guess that's it for today. Y'all are beautiful, and I'll see you next time.